Listen to this rhythm. This isn't just work, it's a construction symphony. Ever wondered what real satisfaction looks like? Check out this tile removal magic. Pure construction satisfaction, just a perfect rhythm and the hypnotic sound of the trowel. This guy turns ordinary bricklaying into a masterpiece. You just can't look away. Using a grout bag is the secret to these flawless stone joints. Smooth, clean, and perfectly controlled. A perfect split with just one tap. No lasers, no power tools, just raw talent and a flawless eye for detail. Plastering at its peak, look at how those layers stick perfectly. Total mastery of the trowel. The secret to a perfect foundation is a steady hand. No bumps, no air bubbles, just a flawless surface in seconds. A master at work. The way he secures those panels is pure muscle memory, efficient, precise, and incredibly satisfying to watch. Check out this flawless delivery. The consistency of the mix is spot on, ensuring a rock-solid foundation. Think you're fast? This guy disassembles pallets quicker than most people can stack them. Every board, every nail, separated with flawless accuracy. Now that's what I call a master of his craft. A masterclass in efficiency. Thousands of hours of practice captured in one rhythmic routine. Mechanical precision at every step. The perfect slice. Fast, smooth, and flawlessly consistent. This is how you handle high-volume production without losing a millimeter. Check out this incredible accuracy. He slices through the wood like butter, creating perfect edges for a seamless fit. This is how a master handles high-end craftsmanship. One at a time, with absolute precision, this automated sorter handles thousands of pieces an hour without breaking a sweat. No nails, no glue, only fire and skill. He turns raw bamboo into a masterpiece using a technique passed down through generations. The precision required for these joints is absolutely mind-blowing. Pure construction satisfaction. Watching these drywall sheets go up with such precision is a masterclass in efficiency. No gaps, no mistakes, just a perfectly smooth surface. Forget the crane. This human conveyor belt is all about rhythm and grit. Not a single second wasted. Incredible coordination. No stairs, no bucket, just a perfect throw every single time. This is peak construction teamwork. The perfect layout. Watching these diagonal lines come together with such precision is pure satisfaction. This is how you turn a floor into a masterpiece. Check out this specialized router. It creates the perfect V-groove, allowing you to fold drywall with extreme precision. No more messy joints, just clean, sharp corners every time. Turning ordinary tiles into a high-end custom sink. It's all about the precision and the perfect adhesive spread. The result is a seamless modern masterpiece that looks incredibly expensive. Lightning fast precision. Watch him time every strike of the press perfectly. High-speed manufacturing in action. Fusing strength with heat. One by one, industrial perfection in the making. From wire to chain in seconds, watch the incredible speed and power of large-scale industrial manufacturing. Masterclass in soldering, smooth, fast, and flawlessly consistent work on these PCBs. Pure paving perfection. Watch how he locks every stone into place with surgical precision. This isn't just a driveway, it's a masterclass in geometry and hard work. square to round in one smooth pass. This is how pros mass-produce uniform wooden parts with flawless accuracy. Which of these masters impressed you the most? Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more satisfying construction content.